How to clear Instagram search suggestions. In this video, I'll show you how to clear Instagram search suggestions and reset them so old searches no longer appear when you type in the search bar. First, open the Instagram app and tap the Search tab. If you see your recent searches, tap See All, then select Clear All to remove your search history. Next, go to your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, and open Settings and Activity. Scroll down and tap Content Preferences, then select Reset Suggested Content. Read the information on the screen and tap Next to confirm. This resets Instagram's recommendation system, including suggestions based on your previous searches and interactions. After the reset is complete, go back to the Search tab and start typing. Instagram will gradually replace old suggestions with new ones based on your future activity. Keep in mind that search suggestions may not disappear instantly for every account, but clearing your search history and resetting suggested content is the best way to refresh Instagram's recommendations. That's it. You've successfully cleared and reset your Instagram search suggestions. If you found this tutorial helpful, also make sure to click like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips, privacy tutorials, social media guides, and easy tech how-to videos.